Chapter 8. The Daring Deserts. The word desert is synonymous with extremely harsh living conditions, acute shortage of water, scanty rainfall, lack of diverse life forms, and the view of an expanse arid landscape. Deserts cover a large part of the earth between 15° to 30° north and 15° to 30° south of the equator. That is, they are located mostly near the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Deserts can be broadly classified into two categories: hot deserts and cold deserts. Look at Table 8.1 and 8.2 to know about some of the hot and cold deserts in the world. The two polar regions, Antarctica and the Arctic region, have also been classified under desert region, but they are known as the polar deserts. The Antarctic desert covers an area of 1,40,00,000 km and the Arctic desert covers an area of 1,39,85,000 km square. Climate. The deserts cover 1/5 part of the total land area of the earth. They are characterized by arid climatic conditions. The temperature variation between the day and night is extreme. In the day, the temperature could be as high as 50 degrees Celsius, whereas during the night it could fall to as low as 10 degrees Celsius. The main reason behind this is the lack of humidity. The deserts get heated very fast, making days unbearably hot. The deserts also cool down very quickly after sunset, so nights become chilly. Vegetation. The deserts present a great challenge for any life form to survive. In order to survive in the desert region, plants have adapted to the environment. The desert plants mostly have very long roots that allow them to trap the moisture from deep within the earth. They store water for longer durations. These plants have very few or no leaves at all to avoid loss of water during the day. Instead of leaves, these plants have thorns. They have thick stems with wax-like coating which also prevent water loss by evaporation. Cactus, acacia, baobab, etc. are some plants found in the desert. Wildlife. Animals have to endure the hostile climatic conditions of intense heat, lack of water, and shortage of food. Armadillo lizards, camels, spadefooted toads, desert tortoises, sand grouse, roadrunners, desert geckos, hawks, falcons, vultures, scorpions, desert rats, etc. are some animals found in deserts. A camel, for example, can store a huge quantity of water in its body and survive for days without water. It can store food in the form of fat stored in its hump so that if it does not get food for a long duration, it does not die of hunger. Its eyelashes prevent the sand particles from entering into its eyes and protect the camel from sunlight too. It can close its nostrils to prevent sand particles from getting inside the nose. It can moderate its body temperature to protect water loss. Like camels, other desert animals too have adapted themselves to the environment. They come out for food at night to escape the heat. Human life. Human population in the deserts is sparse. Mostly nomadic tribes like the Bedouins of North Africa and Tuaregs of Western Sahara live in the desert. They rear animals, trade, farm, hunt, etc. These tribes move in search of oases where they can get fresh water. The desert are rich in minerals like iron ore, copper, petroleum and natural gas. The extraction of petroleum products has been the major source of economic growth of desert nations like Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Iraq and Iran.